Alright, I just changed the oil on my Honda Fit 2012, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life check. Right now I drive it pretty much, all the percentage is gone, but it's gonna be an easy process. Obviously, how you start it, you have to turn the key on into the second position, like that, just so, and then the indicator, the preset button, you have to switch it until you get into the oil. Then in order to reset it, you have to hold the button for approximately 10 seconds and then let it go, and then press it right away and hold it for another 4 to 5 seconds. So I'll show you how to do it. You just hold it, I know it's long holding, but obviously you see it start blinking, you release it, and then you get holding. Ta-da! And it's back to the 100%. That is very simple. You're back to the road, and you can change your oil, you can reset the oil check, and everything. You can do it by yourself if you know how to use tools and such. Okay, so please subscribe, like, and comment, and you can watch another video how to change the oil, and also how to replace the filters, the both cabin and the air filter. Okay, thank you.